Alright, so welcome to the first part in how to install NX11 yourselves. This way you guys can open it up on your own, you don't have to be connected to the VPN, all of that, it's just good to go on your own computers. Mind you, this is only going to work for PC computers. If you have a Mac, you're going to have to go down to ETC and have them set up a shell for Windows, okay? Because NX11, they can install a version on it, but it's just really bad. It's better just to go with the Windows shell. So the very first thing you guys want to do is install FileZilla. So first off, just Google FileZilla, and then you'll go to this link. I'm just going to go in a new tab, and you'll want to download the client. All right, download FileZilla client. You'll want this one, not the Pro. You want to do it for free. Download, give it a couple of seconds. Open up, run, yes, agree. I already have it installed, but this should be upgrade or whatever install for the first time. So it'll be that first option, obviously not uninstall. Next, all computers. Now you can go ahead and choose, I'm not going to add the desktop icon. In your case, this is where you're going to save it, pretty straightforward. You'll really only need this one, okay? So yeah, don't worry, just next. This part, go ahead and just disagree unless you really want all this additional software. This is the part you just have to pay a little bit of attention to. So you don't want McAfee, definitely don't want McAfee. Next, I'll let it go. And that was pretty much the easy peasy part. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and connect to the UTEP file. So you'll go to UTEP, you'll look up UTEP FTP, the repository, open link in new tab, and then there are tons of steps here on how to do it. So I'm going to try to put this in the same window, so that way we can follow that step by step together. And that way when you guys do it, you'll be able to see very easily what you have to do. Alright? They made it real easy to figure out. So we're just going to do exactly what they say. So we're going to click this little icon. We're going to go to New Site. Exactly how they have it. Okay? So we're going to fill out the things how they have it. You can go right here and just copy paste. So that's what I'm going to do. Except for the port. That's easy peasies. Protocol, FTP, encryption, require implicit FTP over TLS. Do I get the right one? Yeah, implicit. Okay. And then login type, normal, and this is where you'll put your username and password. So I'll put in mine. I'm going to pause it actually. Okay, so after you put in your username and password, you're just going to ask if it wants to remember it. It's fine. As long as you're not using it for anything really weird. And then it should load up as soon as you put that. Okay? Give it a sec. Connect. There we go. Yeah, so you'll have to go here and then hit connect for the first time. And now you should be in. Well, I'm messing with it. If I keep connecting. Over here, let's go ahead and follow the instructions. So always trust the certificate in future sessions. Okay. And boom, you get all of this. Now this is where it's just going to take a long time. On this one, they have it a bit outdated, so you'll have to just follow my instructions from right here. Okay. Now on the left side, this has all of your own personal computer stuff. Okay. So this is my computer. On the right side, this is the connection to the remote server. Now what we're going to want to do is scroll down, go to NX, and then you'll see NX 10, 11, 7.5. For our class, we're going to be using NX 11, just because it's better. I know you see 11 Mac, it's no good. It really is no good. And you see all of this stuff, so what we're going to want to do is copy 11 Windows. I'm going to put it in my downloads. You can put it on your desktop if you want, you can put it however you want. I'm going to put it in downloads. So, make it copy paste. I think you have to drag it. Yeah, you have to drag it. And it'll do this, and it will take a while, so just give it the full time that it needs. And that's pretty much it. So take a couple of, maybe an hour or something, because it's a huge file, depending on your own internet connection. If possible, you'd want to do it over an Ethernet port, or maybe at UTEP where it's a little bit quicker. So this part's just the long waiting bit. Alright, I'll cut back whenever it's actually installed. Alright, so it's been a little bit later, and I've gone ahead and I've copied the entire Windows folder. So now we're in here, and this is the next set. So this is going to be installing NX. So we no longer need this. This one's finished. Now we will be following this guide. Okay? And I'm going to cut here, and this will be where part 2 starts. Alright? So this was getting FileZilla and getting the files onto the computer. The next is getting NX11.